Hello, today we will guide you through how to add WhatsApp link in Linktree. To get started, open your Linktree admin area. This is the dashboard where you manage all of the links and social connections that appear on your Linktree page. Once you are there, take a moment to make sure you are on the links section, since that is where you will create and organize new items for your profile. Next, look for the plus sign icon and click it. This button is used to add something new to your Linktree, whether that is a standard link or another type of connection. In this case, you will use it to begin the process of adding your WhatsApp presence so visitors can reach you more easily. If your dashboard looks slightly different, do not worry. Linktree occasionally updates its layout, but the plus sign is still the key place to start when adding new content. After that, select the option to add a social icon. This is important because WhatsApp is being added as a social contact method rather than just a plain web link. Using the social icon option helps your Linktree display the platform in a cleaner and more recognizable way, which can make it easier for visitors to understand exactly how to contact you. Once the social icon menu opens, use the search bar and type in WhatsApp. As you search, Linktree should filter the available social platforms and show the matching option. This can save time, especially if there are many social icons listed in the library. Be sure to spell it correctly in the search so the result appears quickly. When you see WhatsApp in the results, click on it. From there, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Linktree may ask you to enter the relevant WhatsApp details or confirm how you want the contact option to appear on your page. Read each prompt carefully so the final link works the way you expect. It is also a good idea to double-check the information before finishing, since even a small mistake could prevent people from reaching you properly. Once the setup is complete, your WhatsApp link should be added to your Linktree and ready for visitors to use. If needed, you can preview your page afterward to make sure everything looks correct and functions smoothly. That's it. You have now added a WhatsApp link in Linktree.